Hello Future Tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. At CloudFoundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
I save the sales order now. So if I click on fulfill now, so this will consume the material that we have in our warehouse. Because this is not a dropship item anymore. We're not saying that the vendor will ship out to the customer, but we will ship the material out to the customer. So this will have a GL impact. What we're trying to do now will have a GL impact on it because there is no dropship to. If you see the dropship to option, there is no purchase order now which is linked with this. So if you go back to the item now and see that the inventory will be consumed, you will have in hand as 3 only now. We are shipping out the material to the customer, and that is the reason we have consumed 10 out of this quantity. And only 3 is available now. We have already shipped out the material. Whatever the monitors, LED monitors that we have, this is the invoice that we do. This is a general process. Now let me show you something. If you go back to your item fulfillment here, you will have a GL impact, which will be on the cost of goods sold. See, this cost of goods sold is a debit. And my credit, so the cost of, if you see my sale order was for 410. The cost of the goods I'm selling now is only 375142. So whatever is the difference amount, that 4100 minus 375 will be your income. You understood the concept. Cost of goods sold is nothing but to buy that goods. To buy that 10 quantity of goods, I have spent 37,758. And while selling, I sold it for 410. So, whatever is the difference amount is what will be my income, which you can show in the invoice. You will be able to see in the invoice what's happening. Why is this not getting opened? The entire revenue is 410. And my whatever, you know the same thing, the accounts receivable will be a debit and it will be a credit on the sale order. So once I receive the payment, go to open and the sale. Once I go back, once I receive the payment, the bank account will get credited. So this is the general process that happens as part of the sales cycle. Let's say this 410. That is your this, and you know, if you select your bank account, that will be a debit because we have received the payment. It moves out from the accounts receivable to the bank account. That is the GLM. So the entire sales cycle is done. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.